Looking for a reliable pen to bring your digital creativity to life? The Wacom Intuos Pen LP190K promises the natural feel and precision you need to sketch, draw, or edit photos with ease. Compatible specifically with Intuos Art, Comic, Draw, and Photo tablets, this pen offers a smooth, cordless experience without the hassle of batteries. I was hesitant at first, especially after reading some one-star reviews claiming the pen was fake or didn't work. But here's the truth. Those complaints mostly come from users who tried to pair the LP190K with incompatible Wacom models. This pen is designed strictly for the CTL490, CTH490, and CTH690 series. If your tablet matches these, the pen will work flawlessly. I personally replaced my broken pen with the LP190K and was impressed by how identical it was to the original. No compromises, no surprises. What sets this pen apart? It features 1024 levels of pressure sensitivity, giving you fine control over every stroke. Plus, the programmable side switch lets you customize shortcuts, speeding up your workflow without breaking your creative flow. Being cordless and battery-free means no interruptions or extra weight to slow you down. Whether you're touching up photos or crafting intricate artwork, this pen feels like an extension of your hand. If you own one of the compatible Intuos tablets, this genuine Wacom pen is worth a look. It's a straightforward, trustworthy replacement that keeps your creative tools sharp and responsive. No gimmicks, just what you need to keep creating. Ready to upgrade your digital drawing experience? Try the Wacom Intuos Pen LP190K when you're ready and see how it transforms your workflow. It's a simple switch that makes a noticeable difference.